How to deactivate Facebook Lite account. So first of all, launch Facebook Lite app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now go ahead and tap on hamburger icon at the top right. Now once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on See More in Account Center. Now once you come here, go ahead and tap on Manage Accounts. Now once you come over here, tap on Manage on top of your profile. From here, go ahead and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now make sure that you choose the option to deactivate account and not delete account, since deactivating your account is temporary, however, account deletion is permanent. After you choose Deactivate account, tap on Continue. Now, all you would have to do is enter in the password of your Facebook account. Once you do so, all you would have to do is tap on Continue. And with that, you will successfully be able to deactivate your account on Facebook Lite. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.